Welcome to another revision session. Here we are going to revise SRS 4410. That means a standard on related service 4410, which talks about compilation engagement. In the compilation engagement, the auditor, practitioner, right? Not the auditor, but the word used is practitioner. Practitioner is required to assist the management. So basically now we have moved from the audit side to the management side. Now you are going to assist the management in the presentation of historical financial information without giving any assurance, without verifying, without checking anything. You are just assisting the management in preparation of financial information and issue your report as per SRS 4410. Is this point clear? Yes, sir. Now, sir, what about the information other than historical financial information? What if the management asked us to compile any other information? Then in that case, you can again apply this standard with some necessary modifications or adaptation. Now we have divided this standard like the last one into three parts: terms of engagement, procedures, and reporting. In terms of engagement, 5 terms of engagement need to be there. Like in an audit engagement, here also the first thing will be objective and scope. So go to the nostalgia of essay 210 and the first thing is the objective and scope of engagement. Then the next 2 points are responsibility of the management, responsibility of the practitioner, not the auditor. Responsibility of the management, responsibility of the practitioner. Management responsibility is to provide the financial information that practitioner is required to compile. So how it will do? It will make sure proper financial information is available. This financial information is free from material misstatement. So it will have to design, implement and maintain internal control. Dim off IC to make sure the financial statements are free from material misstatement. Now along with this financial statements, they have to provide the necessary records, documents, information, explanation and judgment. Without judgment, the financial statements will be impossible. Got it, sir? Now with the management responsibility, we link the FRF. With the practitioner responsibility, we link the form and content of report. Clear? Clear, sir. Now, sir, what was the next topic? The next topic that you Baba consider here is, before the next topic, remember, since SQC1, that is the standard on quality control, is applicable to all engagement standards, it is applicable to SRS also. Okay, sir. Then comes the next topic, that is performing the engagement. Again, here you just need to go with the flow. Before you start compiling the information, you need to understand what BO and FRF. What is BO? Business and operations of the entity. Like an auditor, here also as a compiler, you are required to understand the entity and also understand the requirements of the FRF. Once you are done with the understanding, start preparing the dish. For this dish of financial statement, you need some ingredients: accounting information, informations and explanations, records and documents. And you also need what? Significant judgment. Very important. When this is significant judgment is very important, discuss it. Understand it better. So discuss the significant judgments with the management and TCWG. Once you are done with it, ready to issue the report, wait. Read the report again. Read the report again. Read the compiled information in the light of your understanding of step number 1. In the step number 1, what understanding you took? B&O, FRF, business and operations, and the financial reporting framework. Now, when you read this, you may find some issues with the ingredients, that is the records and documents, information explanation, significant judgment. You may feel that these are incomplete or these are inaccurate. If these are incomplete, you request the management for additional information. If these are inaccurate, request the management to correct the information. Logical? Very logical. If the management says no, then you are unable to continue the engagement, then withdraw and inform about the reasons of withdrawal to the management and TCWG. Plus it says, last point which is not given here is, if the withdrawal is not possible under the law regulation, then you need to decide accordingly. That's it. Got it? Got it, sir. So this part of performing the engagement is also done. Now, sir, in case the practitioner becomes aware during the engagement, sir, what he becomes aware? He becomes aware that the compiled information, that is the financial statement, these are misleading, or these have material misstatements, or they are omitting the required information. Matlab, they are not referring to the FRF. Then you propose amendments. Okay? Propose the amendments to the management. And if the management declines, it says, no, we are not going to amend. Then again, you withdraw and inform the reasons of withdrawal to the management and TCWG. ठीक है. And again, if the withdrawal is not possible under the law regulation, then decide accordingly. Clear? Clear, sir. Last point says decide accordingly means consider your professional and legal responsibility. Also, you need to take an acknowledgement from the management TCWG. They have fulfilled their responsibility of providing the financial information. ठीक है, sir. Then comes the practitioner report. Very easy. In the practitioner report, highlight carefully that you are not the auditor, you are the practitioner. So you as a practitioner are compiling the financial information, not providing any opinion on it. ठीक है. So give a title, give a addressee to whom you are addressing this report. ठीक है. Statement that the compiled information is provided by the management. Description of the responsibility of the management. Plus, along with that, describe the applicable FRF, the accounting policies that you have used. Then identify the financial information. That is the financial statement, title of each statement included in the financial statement, date and period covered by the financial statement, basic information. Just read it. Relax. ठीक है, sir. Then a description of the practitioner responsibility to compile the information as per SRS 4410. Then an explanation that a compilation is not assurance engagement, so you are not expressing any opinion. That's it. And you have not done any verification also. So there was a question also in the question bank which said that are you required to verify the revenue in the trial balance? Say no, we are not required to verify anything. ठीक है, sir. Plus, if the financial statements are prepared using a special purpose framework, mention in your report the special purpose framework, so it may not be suitable for any other purpose. ठीक है. Also mention the intended users. Then the last three basic point: date, sign, and place. Now, sir, one important point about documentation. Why documentation is important here? Because there is a question in the question bank. In the documentation of SRS 4410, what you document? SRF. That means in SRS, you document SRF. What is SRF? Significant matters. Reconciliation of the financial statements to the underlying books and accounts. Right, sir? And the last point is F. Sir, what is F? Final version. Whatever is the final version of the financial statement, that is the compiled financial information, that should form part of your documentation along with the trial balance, accounting records, and other information. So SRF, significant matters, how they were addressed. R for reconciliation and F for final version. Got it? Got it, sir. Then we did these two questions, very easy questions. That's it. And last, me just remember one thing. Whenever you are studying, don't watch the clock. Sir, what to do? Do what it does. Like the clock keeps going on. Tick, 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 tick. You should also keep going on. Keep going, my friend, and the success is near. Thanks a lot for attending today's class. Thanks a lot for being so participative and energetic. And yes, stay happy as you are. Let's catch up in the next one. All the best. Keep going.